Hey there viewers. Welcome to another exciting video. People are eating spinach from very long time, and it proved to be very beneficial. Spinach is highly nutritious rich veggie, and it is packed with nutrients and versatile in kitchen. Whether you like it or not. This is only a veggie that you must include in your daily diet. And, in this video, we will discuss what will happen to your body if you eat spinach every day. From increasing immunity to better brain health, better digestion and many more. So, stay tuned till last and learn all about them. Well, this is how to, and here, 10 things that will happen to your body if you start eating spinach every day. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to turn on notification for more interesting and informative videos. Number 10, improve eye health. Spinach is very important food for eye health. It contains high amount of luteins, which is very important for eye health. Lutein is best absorbed from cooked spinach. This antioxidant is one of the carotenoids that provides its color. This is also important part of structure of your eye, which help to protect it from damage caused by sun exposure. Luteins doesn't synthesized in body. And only way to get enough lutein is to eat spinach. It also protect your eyes from ultraviolet rays coming from sun. What's more, another important eye health booster that is present in raw spinach is beta-carotene. Beta-carotene prevent your aging eye health and age-related eye diseases. Many nutrients are found in spinach. Number 9, prevents cancer. Spinach contain different flavonoids compounds, which are anti-inflammatory and anti-cancerous in properties. Many extracts of spinach used to slow down division of stomach cancerous cells. It also helps to reduce the risk of skin cancer. Almost all diseases are caused due to inflammation, and spinach has an excellent anti-inflammatory properties to reduce the risk of many diseases. Many researches shows that eating spinach provide protection against prostate, mouth, and stomach cancers because it removes free radicals from your body. And these free radicals make your body more prone to get infected with cancer. Number 8, strengthen your bones. By increasing the amount of vitamin K in your diet, we can improve the calcium retention in body. Vitamin K bind calcium to your bones. Eating cooked spinach is one of the best source of vitamin K, which provides 10 times more you need a daily amount. This healthy amount will help to rebuild bones and heal fracture sites in your body. It can work combined with vitamin D, which help to improve density of bones. For these nutritious values, it proves to be very beneficial for alongside bones and maintain healthy teeth and nails. Number 7, help in weight loss. Spinach also help to reduce weight. The reason is that it contain low carbs and high soluble fibers that help to lose weight. It can also be very helpful in blood sugar control. 3 ounces of spinach can provide you 2.2 grams of fibers, which help to control hunger pangs and prevent you from overeating. It also prevents you from constipation and improve your digestion. So, by adding spinach into your diet will help you to boost digestion and lose weight and curb your appetite. Number 6, improve brain health. Spinach can also help you to boost your brain power. It contains high amount of antioxidants like vitamin A, luteins, and serotins. These compounds are very beneficial to delay aging-related brain damage and also help to maintain cognitive functions. Spinach can also reduce depression and structural and functional damage to the brain. One of the study was conducted by scientists, and they found that cognitive decline rate can be reduced by eating daily average of 1 serving of long leafy green vegetables like spinach. Number 5, improve your heart health. One big benefit of spinach is that it's high in omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are called essential fat. These fats cannot synthesize by body. So, we must receive them from foods. Omega-3's consumption is highly linked to prevent lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, stroke, and cancer. These omega-3s also help the heartbeat at steady and regular rhythm. This is very important as erratic heartbeat are leading cause of cardiac death in United States. It also help to lower blood pressure and improve vessels function. These also factors that are involved in heart disease. Number 4, better digestion. Another important vitamin that is present in spinach is vitamin C. It works when it comes to improve gastrointestinal health. Vitamin C along with beta-carotenes protect the inner lining of colon from harmful effects of free radicals and even some harmful bacteria. Spinach also helps to prevent mutations in colon cells that can lead to colon damage and even cancer. Number 3. Blood sugar control. For diabetes management, blood glucose level is essential to maintain. Spinach contain high level of alpha-lipoic acid, which help to manage blood sugar level. This acid is very important and used to treat many neurological disorders and injuries. It also affected symptoms of diabetes, such as numbness of feet and hands, including itching, and weakness of extremities. Number 2. Better circulation. Spinach also contain water content in it, which keeps the viscosity of blood under check and help it to flow better. Iron is an important element, which helps to keep your hemoglobin level up. This will help your blood to contain more oxygenated blood because iron helps to bind more oxygen in hemoglobin molecule. What's more, iron also helps in the regeneration of new red blood cells. Spinach is highly packed with iron and nitrates, which help to control pressure of blood in the body. Due to this, your heart get opt amount of blood to pump and circulate. Number 1. Beautiful hairs and skin. Vitamin A is an important antioxidant in spinach, which acts as a facilitator in sebum production. Sebum is a secretion that moisturizes your hairs and skin. Vitamin A is also essential for growth of different body tissues, including those of skin and hair. Vitamin C present in spinach help in collagen production, which provides texture to your skin and hairs. Regularly eating spinach help in keeping your skin and hairs soft and healthy. So, these are top 10 benefits of adding spinach into your diet, and if you like the video, do subscribe our YouTube channel and press bell icon to turn on notification for more latest videos.